Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been about a month since I posted something, but I've had a lot going on and I didn't really have a lot of time to do this. And since I don't make any money off of YouTube, it's not high priority. Making money is, but I do enjoy making videos, so I hope you enjoy watching them. Today, I'm just going to show you what's new. I do have a few videos ready to come out. One of them is on some bookmarks and different ways of doing it, which is, I hope, something fun for you guys to work on. But if you're like me and you do like the vendor shows, it's something quick and easy to do that you could sell for really cheap and make, the little bit of money to try to offset the cost of, having a vendor show. Because not everybody has the money to spend on very expensive things, especially right now. So I thought the bookmarks would be fun, easy to do. You can get really creative. So that video is coming out later on. I hope you do watch it. And as far as today, I'm working on a big custom order that just came through, and I'll go ahead and show you what that's all about. So for the big custom order that I'm working on, it is 23 plaques and 23 coins. And on the 3D printer is the stand for the plaques. As you can see there, they are printing. Hopefully it comes up. I know it's black on black, but yeah. And then in the laser, those are engraving one at a time. Those take about 45 minutes to an hour to engrave each. And these guys here take about, I think it's 3.5, 4 hours for 2 of them to print. So it is 2 pieces per set to get them to stand up like that. So yeah, it's going to take a while to get everything done. So the other part to this is coins. And they're unfinished right now, but they will be oiled up and sealed and everything. So yeah. The coins are pretty cool. I've done them in several projects and stuff like that, and I like how they turn out. But I'll leave a link to the wood and everything in the description, so if you guys want to get any of that for your laser projects, I recommend them. They're actually really cool. So this is, like I said, a new design and everything. But it's just something quick for the summer. I will have a little tutorial on this and a pattern on my blog shortly. I am working on that video as we speak as well. So, something quick, easy. It's made out of cloth, washable, and fun for the summer. So the other project that is out of the design phase is the panhandle covers out of leather. And I'm actually in production mode with this product line. So these will be in my shop here, I'm hoping soon. They do take a while to make. So, but I am getting them done, which is nice. So that product line should be coming out shortly. So yeah, this wood that I'm using is really nice. Light sanding on the top, and it finishes up really nice and just seals it. But it's smooth, front and back. It burns beautifully, as you can see. Great detail. So yeah, if you're interested in that, I will have a link for this one in the description so you can get your own. These are 6" by 6" pieces. So yeah, they make cool little plaques and cool signs. So yeah, there you have it. So a couple new product lines, new pattern coming out, the panhandle stuff in the leather, and just a quick shop update. So yeah, if you'd like to help support the channel, there will be affiliate links for the Amazon products that I do use. You can go get some of your own. I get a small kickback, which is kind of nice. It helps to produce more videos. And if you really want to support the channel, head over to my Etsy pages and grab something over there. I have a lot of different stuff from kitchen, drink, and home decor, you name it. The cheapest way of supporting the channel is hitting that like button, sharing it with your friends. It tells YouTube that you actually like and enjoy my content. So yeah, so until the next one, stay creative.